Hey guys, it's Claudia and welcome back to the channel. No, it is not a fashion video or hair or makeup. Today it is a cooking vlog. I am so excited. Okay, so you know Joe Biden has signed a law into action that says grocery stores cannot just throw away food. So now churches who really care about the community are getting that food and dispensing it into the communities. So I live not too far from a church that is doing that, and they were holding up signs saying free groceries, free groceries. So you know what a girl does, like everybody else. I went right on into the line and got so many wonderful food items. One thing that really filled one of my bags were bags of parsley. Yes, parsley. And this is 2 bags of parsley, cleaned and destemmed. So this is what I'm going to use in a recipe. And I gotta tell you, I was thinking, this is enough parsley to do a nice old classic Mediterranean tabbouleh. I went to looking for some items in my fridge and was like, no, Claudia, you won't be doing a good old-fashioned classic Mediterranean. First time for me, tabbouleh. So I did not have the green and brown lentils. Now I do eat green and brown lentils. I just did not have any here at the house. And I do not want to go back out and get them because it is a cold out there. So I figured let me share this cooking video with you because I like to delve into areas of creativity and freedom and go with the flow and just see how well it all comes out. So instead of the classic bulgur, peas, beans, or seeds, whatever that is, instead of the classic bulgur that goes with this tabbouleh, I have decided that I'm going with Great Northern beans. And I cleaned a batch of these beans. I do not typically soak them overnight anymore, because some people, so many people that I Googled on the internet were saying you don't have to soak beans, but I'm a classic bean soaker, but I do like quick beans sometimes. And this one, it said you can, well, the bag even said it, you can cook this on the stove top for 2 hours. Today, it's going to be just that, 2 hours. So it's not going to be fast. Now, if I had had the lentils, now that would have been 20 minutes, but no lentils in the house today. So these beans, not a bean pie, hi Jaslyn. These are going to be in Claudia's first tabbouleh with navy beans. Now, 2 hours is 2 hours. So while I get this together, I'm going to be munching on these sea salt tinged cashews. Healthy and a good way to tide a girl over since I have not had breakfast. And it's going straight on into dinner. So let me show you what else I'm going to put together here. Okay guys, so in a classic tabbouleh, for those who just know the name, may have heard of the name, may never have heard of the name, but don't know what's in it. Typically, according to Google here, in the tabbouleh, you would have the bulgur, you would have the tomato, and I have my tomatoes right here. You have your onions, normally scallions, diced very finely, everything diced finely. I don't have scallions, but I do have my onion. And I'm going to put in this much because I have lots of parsley over there, as you have seen. Now, you need lemon juice typically, but I don't have lemon juice, so I'm going with squeezing my fresh limes into this Claudia's Tabboulleh. And I am, usually it's salt and pepper, but I'm going to put in ground cumin, and I'm going to use my cilantro lime seasoning and a bit of sesame seeds just because I like it, and I'm going with my creativity. I am going to dice up this big juicy red pepper, and that will still give it that little Mediterranean twang or twist there, but red peppers are typically not in a standard Tabboulleh. So usually bulgur, tomatoes, onions, and parsley. So let's see what I come up with. And I'm going to get to dicing. And what you see over here is a bubbling pot of olive oil tinged water. What is that for? That is for starting my 2 hours of the navy beans. So let's get these diced. And after I get them diced and sliced, it's going to be a while before we put this all together. So stay with me. Something tells me this is going to be different and delicious.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna
Some people know how to chop, but I don't. I mean,
you gotta buy yourself a chopper, boo.
no, I'm talking about chopping with a knife.
Yeah, but you can get you a chopper and chop it. Who knows? I need to send you a chopper.
That's true.
You know, if you can advocate for a chopper.
I just like the way they take their hands and just go at it.
Yep.
Like from scratch. That lady's little man was getting it.
Yep. She needs some sauce. She needs some sauce to be the boss.
All right, so after cooking the navy beans, I drained them, of course, and put them with the rest of these ingredients, and this is how it came out. It was quite good, I must admit, but it was thick. So I know it's supposed to be much, much thinner, but of course, you know, navy beans are thick. But yeah, this is my first attempt at preparing tabbouleh, and might have been a slight fail because of the ingredients. I didn't have them all, but next time I'll get it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.